Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you the best drink for your manhood. And with this drink, you are going to last longer in bed. With this drink, you are going to make the best performance. Even if you are 80, even if you are 90, no matter your age, go from 40 seconds to 40 minutes with this drink. And this drink is being made up of 3 powerful ingredients to make it up. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you like to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. But before I proceed once again, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. May God bless you. As you endeavor to support this channel, God will always support you in all your life endeavors. So even if you are 80, 90, 40, any of your age, with this recipe, you are going to last longer. And this juice or recipe is the best drink for manhood, the best manpower for every man, the best drink to perform well. So what are these 3 powerful ingredients you need to prepare this juice? The 3 powerful ingredients are: number 1 is date nuts or dabino nuts. It is found everywhere. It has a sugary taste. It is very, very good. Number 2 is tiger nuts. Tiger nuts. It is also sugary in taste. It has a sugary taste. And the last one is honey. Very important. So these 3 are what you need to get this recipe done. And this recipe is very simple. But after you might have finished the preparation, do not boil, do not heat. You are going to take it naturally. Then how are you going to prepare this? It goes this way. 1. Break this dabino nut into 2 and remove the hard seed. Put it in a blender after you might have finished washing both this dabino nuts and tiger nuts. And this tiger nuts, after you might have finished washing the 2, then break this dabino nuts to remove the hard seed and put this outer into a blender. Then also put these tiger nuts into a blender, but you are going to make a good quantity for that particular day. Or if you have enough money, you can buy this dabino nut as much as you can. Also this tiger nut as much as you can, so that after the preparation you can still have the one to preserve or to reserve in your refrigerator. So once you finish breaking this, put it in a blender, and also take this tiger nut and also put it in a blender. Blend the 2 thoroughly to make sure that it is into pieces. That pieces will help to get the juice or extract the juice very, very well. Then after the blending, add enough water so that that water will help to get the juice in a large quantity. Then after you might have finished this, bring it out from that blender and put it in a grater or in a tiny cloth to help you extract the juice. After you might have finished doing this, you are good to go. You have the best manpower. You have the best drink for manhood. Then how are you going to take it? Anytime you want to take it, put it in a glass cup. Add 1 teaspoonful of this honey and take it, especially in the night. Do it consistently for complete 2-3 weeks. It will improve your health. It will go straight to your manhood and make it strong every night, every hour. It will also make you to have a high sex drive. It will build up your libido. So this recipe is simple but very powerful. With these 3 ingredients, you are good to go. It costs nothing, only your honey, dipping nuts, and tiger nuts. These are the 3 powerful ingredients you need. Then how are you going to go about it? Break this dipping nuts, remove the hard seed and put the outer one into a blender. Then also put this tiger nuts into a blender. Blend these 2 thoroughly. After the blending, add water to get a large quantity of it. Put it in a grater to filter it. Do not cook, do not boil. You are going to take it naturally. Then anytime you are going to take it, just add 1 teaspoonful of honey and take it morning and night, but preferably in the night after your meal. So once you do this, do it for weeks, months, you must get the best erection, the best manhood, and it will build up your immune system. It will make you to last longer, and it will go straight to your manhood and make it always strong. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you enjoy this. If you get it or you enjoy this video, please put down your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe once again to be a member of this channel. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.